If you love Dollar Tree DIYs that look high-end, designer, and ridiculously expensive, then you are going to be obsessed with today's video because I'm showing you 3 brand new Dollar Tree home decor ideas that look like they came straight out of a luxury store but cost just a few dollars to make. These are easy, budget-friendly DIYs that anyone can recreate, and I promise your guests will never guess they're from Dollar Tree. We're making statement pieces that will instantly elevate your space. And since May is my birthday month and Mother's Day is around the corner, I'm doing a special giveaway for you all. 3 of you are about to win gift cards to transform your home. I'll be sharing how to enter later in this video, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss it. Alright, without taking any more of your time, let's get right into it. For this first DIY, we are creating a modern high-end wall decor piece using Dollar Tree items. And this one is all about texture and design. So I picked up one of these unfinished wood picture frames from Dollar Tree. If you've been watching my channel, you've definitely seen me use these before. I actually used one in a previous video to create this piece right here on the screen. Remember that? Well, what I love is that they come in 2 tones, so for this one, I went with the reverse color version just to switch things up and give it a fresh look. Next, I also grabbed these wooden rings in different sizes, also from Dollar Tree. This is such hidden gems because they instantly give that organic designer West Elm inspired look. To start, I laid out all the rings on my workspace and gave my frame a quick wipe down to remove any dust. Then I began with the largest rings first. They were only 2 and used those as my anchor pieces. From there, I started playing around with the smaller rings, arranging them around the larger ones until I found a design I loved. And this part right here is key. Always dry fit your design first before gluing anything down. This gives you the freedom to adjust your layout until it looks perfectly balanced, okay? Once I was happy with the arrangement, it was time to glue everything down. So I used hot glue, but you can absolutely use wood glue or Gorilla Glue for a stronger hold. Well, it was good enough at this point as it looks, but to add a little visual or extra visual interest, I placed some wooden beads in the center of 4 of the rings. It's a subtle detail, okay, but it makes the piece feel more custom and elevated. And that's it, guys, no painting required. I wanted to keep that natural wood tone because it gives that warm, organic, high-end look. Just look at that. Now let's talk styling. This piece would look stunning above a console table in an entryway, styled in a living room gallery wall, or even as a standalone statement piece on a neutral wall. I paired it with this beautiful vase transformation that I did in one of my previous videos, also featuring a wooden ring. You can also lean it on a shelf for that effortless designer look. This is one of those DIYs that is simple, okay, but looks like you paid way more for it. Okay, so about the giveaway, I am so excited to finally share this with you guys. With my birthday month and Mother's Day right around the corner, I wanted to give back to this amazing community in a big way because you guys have given me so much. I recently ran a poll in my community tab and wow, just look at that. The response was incredible. You all made your voices heard and Amazon gift cards came out on top. So that's exactly what I'll be giving away. Alright, so to enter, simply head over to my blog www.norajsnook.com right on the screen and also in the description box and sign up through the giveaway page linked below also in the description box. You can earn bonus entries by subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet, and most importantly, joining my YouTube channel membership because members get double entries, guys. Yes, double entries. You can also gain additional entries by following my Amazon storefront and engaging with my videos, starting with this one. Every action increases your chances. This will run for the entire month of May, and I truly can't wait to bless a few of you with this. Winners will be announced on May 27, last Wednesday of May, and good luck, my loves. Now for DIY number 2, this one is creative, functional, and honestly one of my favorites. I picked up 2 hexagon mirrors from Dollar Tree. These have been around for a while and are such a staple. Okay, first I removed the backing and mirrors. And then I went ahead to use a knife to carefully unscrew the small corner tabs holding everything in place. And once that was done, I set the mirror and the frames aside. Well guys, before we do carry on, today's word of the day is polished. Because each of these DIYs is all about taking simple pieces and giving them that smooth, refined, high-end finish that makes your space feel complete. So please do comment polished down in the comment section below. Thank you. Next, I grabbed these decorative placemats from Dollar Tree. If you've been here for a while, you already know I've used these before as a stencil, and you all loved it. I loved it too. But this time, we're doing something completely different. So I placed the hexagon mirror over the placemat, traced the shape, and cut it out. I did this for both, one in silver and one in gold. However, I decided to paint the silver one black for contrast, but you can absolutely keep it silver if that matches your decor. Set those aside to dry. Next, I grabbed some tumbling tower blocks and glued 7 blocks together side by side. I had already done a test off camera and found that 7 was the perfect number for each section. Okay? So I will go ahead and make 5 more in total. So there will be 5 sets of 7. That's all you will need for this project. Alright, so since I used hot glue for this, which is an instant dry, I did not have to wait for this to dry properly, so I just went on to the next step. So this is our 5 sets of 7. Next, I painted just one side of each set using black chalk paint. Only the visible side, okay? No need to paint the whole block. Once everything was dry, I used Gorilla Glue to attach the placemat, which we had set aside, onto the mirror surface. Apply this glue sparingly here, okay? You do not want any mess over your mirror. So just make sure to apply that sparingly, and then I placed the mirror back into the frame and sealed it using hot glue this time. So we will not be using the backing that came with the mirror originally. Okay, so just the mirror, and just use your hot glue on the back side to seal it properly. Now comes the fun part. I started attaching the block sets along 5 sides of one hexagon, leaving one side open. Okay, I used both hot glue and Gorilla Glue for a strong hold, and obviously hot glue for an instant hold. Once that was done, I went ahead and added glue to the ends of the blocks that was exposed after putting all 5 on the one hexagon. And then I will go ahead and add our second hexagon on top, creating a 3D hexagon structure vase. Just watch as I do this. Okay, make sure to place this properly. I was contemplating which side I wanted to have as the bottom, so I liked the half butterfly showing at the bottom side of our vase. And just like that, we have a dual purpose designer vase. One side features a bold black modern look, and the other side a gold decorative elegant finish. You can literally flip it depending on your mood or your decor style. I love how this turned out. For styling, add greenery for a fresh organic look, use florals for a soft elegant vibe, or place it on a coffee table, console table, or shelf, and decorate it however way you please. Okay, this is the kind of piece that looks like it came from a high-end home decor store for way more. I just love how this turned out, and you can also style this in your bathroom. As you can see here, I have this placed in our guest bathroom, the different bathrooms from the house, and it just fitted in perfectly with my home decor style. Tell me, which side do you prefer, the black side or the gold side? I'd like to know. Comment down below. So please do tell me down in the comment section what you think about this DIY, and also do not forget to comment which of the 3 DIYs was your absolute favorite. Alright, so this next one is for my glam decor lovers, and let me tell you, this one is giving luxury. I picked up 2 of these cups from Dollar Tree. They're actually $2 each and come in different colors, but of course I went with gold. First, remove the lids and straws and peel off any labels. Next, I glued the lids together using hot glue. You could use any strong adhesive of your choosing here, but I'm going with hot glue this time because it's plastic and I needed it to be bonded quickly. Now you notice there's a gap in the middle where the lids don't fully meet. So I'll be using Gorilla Construction glue around that section. And to cover it, I added these 4 diamond wrap stones from Dollar Tree. Pro tip here. Let the glue get slightly tacky before placing the stones so they hold better instantly. So I will go ahead and have that put all around our lid, and once that was done, I moved to the rims of the cups. So set this aside to dry while you work on the next. Okay, so since the lid or the rims of the cups actually had a slightly transparent look, instead of spray painting it, I decided to use rubber buff Ingressian gold. So I used the brush to brush over the rim with that, and instantly it blended beautifully and gave that polished finish. Once everything was dry, I moved on to our next step, which is adding glue to the center of the lids, which we already put together, and then I will go ahead to attach the cups base to base. I used both construction Gorilla glue here as well as hot glue for instant hold. Okay, any strong adhesive of your choosing is perfect. And just like that, we have a tall glam statement vase. Look at that. I loved how this turned out, and it didn't take me up to 5 minutes, to be honest, besides of course the drying time. All right, for styling, you can add tall greenery or pampas grass. You could also use it as a centerpiece on a dining table, or place it on a console table for that luxury hotel vibe. Okay, you can also make multiples of this piece and use as a centerpiece for an event. You can change the color, use it for graduation, baby shower decor, whatever decor you want, okay? Just make multiples of this and it will look perfect. This piece looks like something you'd find at a high-end store for a lot more, and we made it for just a few dollars. Less than $5 actually. So yes, this will be a cost-effective way to make centerpieces for an event. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite. Also, if you loved these DIYs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more high-end Dollar Tree transformations from me. Moreover, don't forget, I shared how to enter the May birthday and Mother's Day giveaway in this video, so make sure you participate to enter. See you in the next video. Bye!